Hi and welcome. Today we shall be writing a program in Python to demonstrate Latin square. So first let us know what is a Latin square. So if the input, just assume that the input is 3. So we get a 3 cross 3. So the output is going to be a 3 cross 3 matrix. So when the input is 3, so the first row will have the values 1, 2, 3. And the next row will be having 2, 3 and 1. And the last row will have 3, 1 and 2. This can be in any order, but there is a condition. What is the condition? That if I take a random element 2, or it may be even 1, but if I take 2, this 2 in the first row, then if I compare this in that column, in that respective column and in that respective row, you find that the selected number or that element is unique. Same way, let us take this 3. 3 is unique here and 3 is unique here. Let me clear all this and show you how the Latin square looks when the input is 3. Okay, so let's go and execute in Python. Okay, so before we start the program, let us know the applications of Latin square. It is used in animal science, agriculture, and industrial research. So now let's start writing the program. So we'll capture the input in A, use the keyword input, and we'll say enter the dimension. Okay, and now we'll employ a for loop for I in range of. So as I showed you before, it starts from 1. The Latin square starts from 1. So we give the starting index, that is 1, and it ranges all the way till the input number plus 1. I've given plus 1 over here because it's the syntax of Python. I'll show you what happens if we do not give plus 1 there. Let's go ahead and print I. So when we run the program, so I'll enter 4. Look at that, we get 1, 2, 3, 4. From 1, why? Because we gave 1 over here, so we got 1 as the first element. And A plus 1, now what if I remove plus 1? I will get it till 3. Let's have a look. I'll give the same number as the input. Look at that, we get it till 3. So that is the reason I give plus 1. And if the logic demanded me to give 0 over here, then the plus 1 was not necessary. Okay. So this is the entry loop. So I is the entry loop and we'll employ another loop. This is going to act as an actual loop for j in range of. So whatever value I holds, we'll capture that in j in every iteration. And the value that I holds is getting captured in j. And that number ranges till the entered number plus I. Now we'll go ahead and print j. We want that in the same line, so we'll give end is equal to a space. So after printing a row, we don't want that to be continuous. Okay, let me execute it and show you. I'll give 6. Look at that, we get it in a single line. So of course I can't give it over here. You'll come out of the j loop. Once it comes out of the j loop, which is the indication that a row has been printed, we will give next line character. Now I'll give a smaller number relatively. Let's take 3. Okay, so first row 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that is what we wanted. 2, 3, 4. But 4, this is a number which is larger than the input number. And 5. So if you observe here, what logic would you develop? So we have 4. What should come here? We have 2, we have 3. What is missing here? 1 is missing and we have 4. So what is the relation between 1, 4 and 3? So we have 4 here and 3 is the input. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and say if j is greater than a. Yeah, because this is the row. 4 is greater than 3, then we'll give the command j minus is equal to a, which is as good as writing. Okay, I'll give it in the form of comments. J is equal to j minus a. Now we'll run the program and I'll give 5. Look at that, we get it. Any random element over here, take this 3. In this column it is unique and in its respective row it is unique. So this is Latin square and it's applied in real life in many fields. So that's it for this video. Do subscribe this channel, Data Science Galaxy. Give this video a big like if you've liked this video. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye for now.